trick, Mommy. Yes.
Hello!
Hello, how are you? Bye-bye.
Bye-bye! What is that? What? What happened with my tablet? Oh! Oh my kids! La 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 la.
It will be fun.
Yes! What's happened? Oh no! Even sad? Where is my soda? Oh my kids!
Oh, my dress is so beautiful. No. Sand. Okay. Oh, my beautiful bag. Ach, mommy. It's my car. What? What happened? My blocks! What happened to my car? Mommy! Oopsie! I have an idea.
Baby! This is a dog that has a beautiful dress. Do you like it? Let's learn colors. Yellow. This is a green and blue color. It's all sand, Alice. Oh. Kids, let's play soccer. Stop. Look. Play.
What happened? Mommy!
It's time for lunch!
Pizza! Pizza! Pizza!
Okay, that's for you. That's for you.
It's not real pizza!
Of course, this is a joke. It's fake pizza. Fresh strawberry.
Mommy, I want to play!
I'm a little busy cooking. Sorry.
Please, Mommy!
I have something for you.
Thank you, Mommy! Oh no, my pool! Mommy, my pool is broken!
Don't worry. Oh, try this one.
Yay! This is so fun! Aliens? Seriously? I want a new toy. Huh? Wow, magic! Now it's time for somebody. Hello, Chris. It's gonna be the party in your house? Yeah, the party. Yay! Time to have some fun.
Oh, kids, hello! Come in! Hi! Give me a high five and vanilla. Fun is a good idea, but you need to change your outfit first. Come here! Go. Ready! Next! Come on! Let's go! Go.
Yay! What about my clothes?
Okay, now inside. Go. Go.
Wow!
Kids, let's have some fun!
Let's battle! Guys, look what I found! I want the bubble!
What's going on?
Guys, let's go to the kitchen!
Maybe you would like some smoothies? Pineapple, done! The next one is watermelon! Watermelon, done! It's time to enjoy the healthy smoothie!
I'm yummy healthy. Kids, let's go with me. Use life jacket. Always good idea to spend time with your friends and family. Let's learn what objects are sink or float. Okay. Your car is sink? Yeah. Let's try my box. Yeah. Okay. Pepper. Let's float. Find more objects. Yeah.
This one?
Yeah.
Okay. Let's find here.
Baby balls.
Okay. Hammer. Oh, let's check it. What do you think? Is it pink or float?
What?
Okay. 1, 2, 3, go! This ball is floating.
Yeah.
Right? Ah, good job! What? Oh, it's floating! Let's check dumbbell. It's too heavy.
Sink.
Okay, let's check.
It's in the sink.
Oh, sink! Float! First of all, sink, but now it's float.
Yeah.
Oh, toy car.
Float.
1, 2, 3, go! Ooh, it's floating. What do you think? Is it float or sink?
Sink.
Let's check it. 1, 2, 3. Oh, sink! Oh my God! Sink! What about hammer?
Sink.
Let's check it.
Sink.
Yeah!
Float.
Let's check it. It's floating. Sink or float?
Sink.
Sink! Yeah!
Let's do more. Float.
Run, run, run!
Float.
3, 2, 1, go! Ooh. One is floating and 3 are sink. Giant diamond. Is it sink or float?
Sink.
1, 2, 3. Oh,
Sink.
what about water balloons? Are they sink or float?
Float.
Can you check it, please?
It's float.
What about soda?
Sink.
Let's check it. 1, 2, 3, go! Oh, look! It's float! Let's open and check. Is it sink or float? It's sink!
Yeah.
Is this car sink or float?
Sink.
Okay, let's check it. No, it's float.
Yeah.
Let's check playhouse.
Yeah.
Okay. 1, 2, 3, go! Sink.
Yeah. Why do some stuff float and why do some stuff sink? The answer has to do with something that is called density. Everything is made out of tiny particles that we can't see. A plastic spoon and a metal spoon have the same shape and size, but the particles in the metal spoon are closer to each other. Water has density also. The density of metal is more than the density of water, so it sinks. The density of plastic is less than the density of water, so the plastic spoon floats.
Do you like this experiment?
Yeah.
Sink or float?
Sink.
Come on.
No water. I want to swim.
Sorry, I have a lot of work. This is for you. Just What happened?
I need new toys.
This is for you.
Yay!
Oh. Shark, take your toys!
Yeah.
Oh, don't worry, I have a better idea.
Thank you, Mommy.
Welcome, my dear.
Mommy!
What happened, my dear?
Let's take my toy.
Oh, don't worry, my dear. I help you. Let's go. Excuse me?
Excuse me.
It's not allowed to take our toys without permission.
Sorry.
Okay, thank you.
Goodbye, goodbye, goodbye.
Excuse me. Please give me our toys.
Okay.
Oh, okay. I found them. Excuse me. Don't take Christian toys without his permission.
Sorry.
Yay!
Run.
Let's make a water slide party. Please ask permission first before getting other people's toys.
Hello.
Attention, attention! Hurricane is coming! Leave your house!
Okay, easy peasy. What happened? Hurricane? I don't know.
Attention, attention! Please leave your house! Chris! I see you! Chris! Chris! Please leave your house! Look this way! Come here! Everything is okay?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go. Safety, please!
Yes.
Do you know what does a hurricane means?
No.
I show you.
A hurricane is a huge tropical storm with powerful wind and lots of rain. With high winds, it can damage trees and buildings. Now I know.
Okay.
Hello. Hello.
Attention, attention! Flood is coming! Evacuate to safety place!
Okay, easy peasy. What is that? Help! 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 Help!
Please, I'm flying!
Grace, I have you! I save you! Let's go!
Chris, do you know what the flood means?
No? Okay, don't worry. I show you. Look. Flooding can happen during heavy rains, when rivers overflow, when snow melts too fast, or when dams break. Now I know. I need new clothes. Now a strong house. Hello.
Attention, attention! Lava is coming! Evacuate in safe place!
Okay. Lava! Help! Help!
Don't worry, I'm coming!
Help!
Oh, hold on! I see you!
Help! Help!
This is for you, Hoppy! Okay! Chris, do you know what does lava means? Oh, I show you. Look.
Lava is hot, liquefied rock that flows from a volcano. Lava can reach temperatures as hot as 1,250 degrees. Then it stops flowing. It hardens into rock called igneous rock. Now I know.
Okay.
My house is full. Hello.
Attention, attention! Earthquake coming! Leave your house!
Okay, easy peasy. My house! Help me! Attention, attention! Mommy, help!
Oh, Chris! Oh, Chris, do you know what does the earthquake mean?
No.
No? I show you. Look.
Our Earth's surface is made out of giant plates of rocks. An earthquake is what happens when two blocks suddenly slip past one another. Now I know.
Okay.